Hello, my fabulous friends. This week's video, I'm showing you the really awesome, amazing things you can do with Evernote. So what's cool about Evernote, it's got a lot of nifty little features. So you'd think it's just like an online notebook, but really it does a lot more than that. So the first part I'm going to show you is my journal. So this is where I have my to-do list, my planning. I have my everything cut out through the day. So for example, here's like a complete day. Got like what I'm doing all day long, and then all the things that got done, all the things that didn't get done, and then kind of filling out through my morning stuff and then my evening stuff as well. And sometimes I put quotes in here, things that happened, stuff like that. So it's a nice way to kind of recap the day in general. And then I also do my weekly planner. So this goes through a review, this goes through everything that I need to do. And then I break it down by day of what appointments I have, what I'm eating, all that good stuff. And once again, we go through the monthly planner and same situation. So I'm just breaking down all the stuff I have to do and when to do it. So it's a really, really nice way to kind of have everything all together. And this is synced on my phone, on my tablet, on my computer, just everywhere. So it's so nice and easy to have. So then I have in here, one of my super favorite things about Evernote is the fact that you can send PDFs here. Oh, I also do my budget and all that good stuff in here. So for example, here is a PDF that I have in here. That's my monthly recipes that I get. So bam, here we go. I can actually just keep all my PDFs in here. And not only can I put them in different notebooks, I can give them tags. So for example, I can put in here recipes. And so now if I want to go in and search by tag, I can just go in and see, okay, I'm sure I've got some recipes somewhere, so let's go in and check out recipes. Or I can go health stuff, or I can subcategorize. So if I wanted to put like in my budget stuff, I have my cash flow down below that. I can even do, actually this is one thing that I can do right now. So phase 0, this is CRP stuff, so I can sub that in CRP. Same with phase 1, this is all my corporate rescue plan stuff. So I can keep that all together. Then I have my current clients. This is where I do my notebooks based on, this is where I keep all our meetings. So whenever I meet with a client, I met with a client yesterday, this is a free website review. So I have her original notes, then stuff we talked about, and I use this to send to her for the email. Then if there's a client, for example, that I did a session with, I can keep track of her sessions. I can keep track of what we did in the sessions, any links that she needs, kind of a nice little summary of everything we've gone over. So this is how I use it as a CRM. And I wanted to show you in the PDFs. So the other really cool thing about the PDFs is you can actually edit the PDFs right then and there. So for example, here is some cool stuff I got from Female Entrepreneur. And all I have to do is, once it opens up, right click and then hit annotate this PDF. And I can actually fill in my answers right on the app. So it's not like a writable PDF in the sense that you can just click and type in and it'll save your answers. In fact, if you have writable PDFs, that won't work in here. So what will happen is, if I click it, I take this PDF. There we go. So now what I can do is I can go text. It's probably because there's already annotations in here, but I can go text. I can change the color. I like to write in black, but if you like to write in blue, you can do purple. You can make it thinner. You can make it bigger. You can do whatever your little heart desires. And then here we go. So for example, I can add more stuff into here. I can just click and start typing. My top goals for the rest of this year are, let's see, start meditation teacher training, travel more, And so for the next quarter, how am I going to do all that? And we don't need to get into all that, but this is for example. And then all I have to do is hit save and exit, and bam, it's already in there. So this is how I can use all these lovely PDF downloads that I get from everyone. And I can start, and again, I have the tags. So if I'm saying, well, you know what? I know there's a PDF in here that I have. It's really awesome on social media. So I'm going to come in here to social media. And I can even go through and do, social media or just Facebook. Bam, here's a Facebook one. You can check and see what that one's about. So it's a really, really easy way. I mean, I have all these PDFs that I get from people or downloads, and I just seem to get lost everywhere. I can never, ever find them. And this is a perfect place for me to keep them. You can also keep things like my bank logins. I mean, it's perfectly secure. I can keep, documents, digital copies of documents in here. It's just so, so easy. And all I have to do is type in, go to the chief of Scott. I don't have it in here, but if I did, I would be able, it would just pop up and it would be right there and I'd be done. It's so, so easy. Now, what's also really, really cool is, let's say I go to, where should we go? Let's go to corporate rescue plan. That's not what I want. Now, sending the documents is even easier because I have this little Evernote extension in Chrome. So whenever I have a PDF, I wonder if I can just go, here's one. So here is the PDF download that I got from an email, thanks to the lovely Carrie Green. And if I don't have to sit there, I can download it and re-upload it, but I can also send it straight to Evernote. So sometimes the elephant pops up and sometimes it doesn't. This computer is on its last few days of life as the new one arrives on Friday, so you'll have to forgive her. She's doing the best she can. So here we go. So here I can clip it. I can say what notebook I want it to go to. I can add my tags. So this is also FEA. I can also tag, so I tag usually where I got it from and then also what it's about. So this one is inspiration for me. So I can go ahead and save, and that's sending it right to my Evernote for me. Done. Bam. Come in here. FEA. Let's sync. Sometimes it does take a second, and there it is. And I've got the tags, and now I can just fill out this PDF right here and now. So it's so, so awesome. And all this works on the mobile app, and there's even more awesome features on the mobile app. On the mobile app, you can also take pictures with words on it, so like a receipt, and it will actually make the words in the picture searchable. So if you took a picture of a menu or something like that, you could store all of that, and next time you're looking for dim sum, oh, puppy, you could just literally go in and search for dim sum and the menu would pop up. So it's really, really cool. Let's see, you can do reminders in here. You can do task lists. Now, I love Asana for working with my group, working with my team. It makes my life a lot easier, but Evernote for me just makes it easier for me. This is all my stuff in here. So this is things that I'm studying. I'm studying things with Drew Yoga. So I have the Gita study. I have the meditation studies. You can also send actual pages. So for example, if I don't remember the login page for this, for Corporate Rescue Plan, I can actually just send the page as a bookmark or even as a full page. So let's see here, Evernote Web Clipper, clip full page to Evernote. It's syncing, it's syncing, it's syncing. And then what it'll do is it'll show up here. Now what's really cool is it'll show up with the link. So for example, if we go to that FEA one that we just did, oh, actually I can do Andrew Yoga. I have here. So this is month 2 of the meditation course. I can go here and it's the link directly to my materials. So bam, easy to go to. So I can use it to save things. I've also used this, by the way, I call this my future journal. This is my shopping stuff, things I want for the house. There's this really awesome bed that I want that we're just waiting for the puppy to grow up a little bit to get, I'm hoping. So there's a lot of different things. I don't just use this for work. I personally, I use this for personal stuff. I use this for my journal. I use it for really honestly just about everything. I used to have like 10 different journals that I would write in, and I'm thankfully able to just add everything right here. So that's how I use Evernote. It's really, really awesome. The free plan is great. I do have the upgraded plan just because I want a little bit more storage because I put a lot of stuff in here. But even that's only a few dollars a month, so nothing crazy. If you haven't checked out Evernote, I keep getting confused. If you haven't checked out Evernote, definitely check it out. It's so amazing. You'll absolutely love it. All right, my friends, have a beautiful week, and I will see you soon. Bye.